Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here again. Today we are on the 2007 Toyota Avalon, and we are going to be changing the cabin air filter. So this is the one I decided to go with, the Fram. That's the info on it. So the cabin air filter is located on the passenger side in the glove compartment. Very easy to access. And there are two tabs here that hold the glove compartment in place, so you just go like so, squeeze the two tabs, and oops, just some stuff in here. So basically you want to squeeze these two tabs on either inwards, and I'm not sure what that is. This is how I purchased a vehicle, but once the glove compartment is down, if you look up under here, this box right here is where it's hidden. So we have one tab there and one tab on this side. So excuse me while I get that out for you. Seems like someone's been in here before. All right, there we go. So as we look up in there, take this off. There are two tabs, one on either side. You just pinch them in, take them out, and our cabin air filter should be right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's nasty. Right? And again, that's a clear view of what it looks like up in there. And we're going to attempt to do this one-handed. Take the replacement out. Always kind of tricky to do this one-handed, guys. All right, so we have the air filter out, and it's going to give you the direction there on which side should be up or down as far as the airflow. All right, so we'll go ahead get that in there. And I believe it's probably the other way. So if you are unsure of the direction, this is what we have right here. So as you can see on the replacement, shows that the airflow is that way, so the arrow is pointing down. If you look at the cover, it shows you that the arrow is pointing up in that direction. Alright, so you have to flip that around when you put it in. Alright guys, and that's it. So, you know, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to throw that in here and just pop that cover back on. And that's it. You're done. And when you put this thing back up, you just gotta remember to press the sides, and you know, to get that back in there, and you're all set. And that's it, guys, on the 2007 Avalon, replacing the cabin air filter. Easy speedy.